What would you sacrifice for immortality? In a world where gods and mortals intertwined, Tantalus once dined with the divine, enjoying feasts in Olympus, where ambrosia flowed like nectar. Yet, his arrogance knew no bounds. Tantalus, craving to be seen as equal to the gods, committed the unspeakable act of serving his own son, Pelops, at a banquet, believing he could outsmart the deities. The gods, horrified by his grotesque deception, saw through his vile act and refused to partake in the meal. They resurrected Pelops, restoring him to life, but Tantalus faced a fate worse than death. He was cast into the depths of the underworld, where shadows danced and whispers echoed. There, he found himself eternally in a pool of water beneath a fruit tree, forever tantalized by the very things he craved. Whenever he reached for the fruit, the branches would lift away. When he bent to drink, the water receded, leaving him parched and desperate. Imagine the torment of endless desire, forever out of reach. Tantalus became the epitome of punishment for hubris, a haunting reminder that one cannot challenge the gods without dire consequence. His story echoes through time, warning us to respect the boundaries that separate mortals from the divine, lest we find ourselves in an eternity of longing and despair.